Hey friends, welcome back to my second floor. Well, today's the day. Today's about destruction. Before we get going, I want to show you where we're at here. All the doors and trim have been moved everywhere. Baseboard is off. Kind of sadly for me, there's no dumpster down there. For any lay people that have never called to rent a dumpster, I just want you to know that the price variance is huge. I got one 30-yard dumpster quote for $300 and another one for $750. And the $750 one could come straight away. The $300 guy, he said it would take him about 5 days. But that's fine, I'll wait. So my plan now, originally I was just gonna toss everything out the window, let the dumpster get here and put it back in, but I don't, what's the point of having a nice trash chute if I'm gonna do that? I'm gonna try to just make kind of an organized pile in a row, and then when the dumpster gets here under the trash chute, I can just chuck it out bit by bit, and it'll go into the dumpster there. Maybe? Yeah? Alright. There's really no reason whatsoever for me to show you this, but this is all the trim that was upstairs. Even the ones I'm not going to use. This is probably, not considering the age of the wood and how nice it is, if this was just regular old cheap white pine, this is still $300–400 worth of trim that I saved. Huh? But yeah. Tried to stick the 14 doors I had upstairs politely back there where they're not going to get any in the way, because it'll be a couple months before they get to return home. And this is the mantle that was in the dining room. I sort of have a plan and scheme of what I might do with it, but that'll really depend on the demo and what the space shows me. I gotta let it speak to me and tell me what it needs. Alright, in order to control dust, we use a little bit of plastic there. As you can see, that is plastic. It's made of plastic. And I put a lot of fans in the windows to create a whirling vortex of negative air space. Also, for the bat business, I left all these windows open. I'm going to open the attic access, so if they do get disturbed, hopefully they'll just fly right out. And it's a nice warm day, so they won't find warm enough for these guys, anyway, that they'll just find somewhere else to go. Alright, they're hiding over here, but I got a crack team of demos. This is, that's my niece Tarquin and my sister Burgle Cut, and we'll be, they are highly qualified demolitioners. I mean, whatever feels right, really.
Just don't go for the step.
Yeah, karate. Do that at home if you like it so much. Kicking down walls is all well and fun, but you need to, there's a method to demolishing that you don't just go wham bam. What if there was electrical wires in there? What then?
Kick it?
Yeah, you just kick right through it. Chew through it with your stupid teeth.
Yeah, cut it and then kick it some more.
No, okay, when you demo drywall, what you want to do, basically cut it, and you don't just blast into the wall with a sawzall or whatever, because there could be plumbing, there could be who knows what. So you just go just deep enough to break it. And then it should pull. Basically you're trying to pull it off as big a pieces as you can. It makes cleanup easier as well. But there's no wires in this, so kick away. The rest of this, I have to do actual work, so I'll try to set the camera up and I'll keep you updated if anything cool happens.
Like bats.
Bats.
not a lot going on. That's kind of the end of today's program. We've made some decent progress. I sent my lovely assistants home for the day because the one bedroom was like this dusty black cloud of bat crap. And even though we were wearing dust masks and goggles, I feel kind of bad if I gave them some sort of poop parasite type disease anyway. So don't get me wrong, poop is fun. I mean, that poop is great. Like, if you like having people poop on you and all that, I'm not here to shame you. It's fine, do it. Have people poop, whatever, rub it on yourself, pay for that kind of service. That's your business, and I'm not here to fetish shame anyone. But don't do it with bat poop or raccoon poop. Wild animal game generally is not the kind of poop you want to be involved with. So yeah, anyway, and pretty much the floor is so covered with crap now, not actual crap, but like drywall and stuff. I got a dumpster coming in 2 days, so I'm just gonna scoop it out. Originally I was gonna throw it on the ground in bags, wait for the dumpster, put it in the dumpster, but that's an extra step. Or put it in bags in here, and then put. I got trash cans. I'll just fill the trash can out, dump it out straight from the trash chute. That's the point of trash chute, really. So I'm kind of at a standstill. Anyway, I don't know. I might putter around up here tomorrow, but I just need to get properly attired, not just whatever. But anyway, for now, I'm gonna wash this disgusting. I just feel gross. I don't see any poop on me. I was pretty well cleaned up, but I just like, you know, when someone farts real bad, you can like taste it in your mouth, and you're like, there's poop in my mouth. Like, it smelled so much of it because you guys were so good and waited so patiently for another video. I've made it, this little bonus film at the end. Bye bye.